Okay, so this is going to be a small demo about our new software, UltraFinance. The name's right here, the logo on the top left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a couple of features about the software and show you a few things how to get done in this software, and hopefully you'll like it. So let's just get started. On the top here, there's a space for your bank's logo. Right now I have Bank of America's logo in there. This is how it's going to look like. We can always swap that out and put in your bank's logo in there. So let's just take it out for now. Okay, so let's dig into the software. Here you have quick search on the top right, and you can search for the customers and quickly get into their accounts. Right now I have the parameters in there, which is customer ID, first name and last name. You put in any of those values and it will search for those customers. So let's just try customer ID. There you go. The customer with the ID 1. I have a couple of details about the customer, just a few common things which you need to contact the customer. Email, phone number, first name, last name. And the last field is amount, which is cumulative. So the customer can have either a single account with the bank or he can have multiple accounts with the bank. So this is going to show a cumulative of all the accounts the customer has with the bank. So the quick search currently has customer ID, first name and last name, but we can also add or even remove some parameters from there. So you can search with using different parameters for the customer. Alright, so when we get in here, you can just click on the ID and get in the customer account. Once you're in the account, all these transactions are enabled, so you can do all these different transactions on the customer's account. Let me show you one more way where you can get into the customer account. And as the name suggests, to view all customers, it's going to give you a list of all the customers sorted by ID, and it's going to give you the details similar to the previous screen. Okay, and so again you click on the ID, you're into the customer's account. And whenever you're in the customer's account, you want to get out of it, the best way to do it is just click on the home button and you're out. Okay, let me show you one more thing. Let's try Forex. So here I have a list of all the currencies, close to 15 of them, the most popular currencies. So you have the currency abbreviation and the 4 values for cash, bills, traveler's check and telegraphic transfer. These are sortable. You can sort it ascending, descending, even these values. So what these values are, these are the values which is going to be pulled in from the bank's database, because these are not the actual market values. If needed, I can put in the market values, but from what I understand, the bank's rates are a little different than the actual market rates, because the bank also needs to make some money on those transactions. And you can switch between buy and sell values out here, and it's going to load up the different values for the day. And right on top out here, if you're really fluent with all these the currency abbreviations, and you don't really want to go through this entire list and looking for your specific currency, you can just come up here and type in the currency abbreviation, and there you go, Japanese yen. So it's gonna load up all these 4 values from here. You can switch between buy and sell. Okay, and if you put in some junk out here, it's gonna give you an error message. We do not trade this currency, or the currency doesn't exist. Okay, let's try one more. Let's try Canadian dollar. There you go, for a buy value, cash, bills, traveler's check, telegraphic transfer. You can switch between buy and sell. These are going to be the same values which are basically getting pulled in from the same place. So cash of 54.14, cash of 54.14 for Canadian dollar. Okay, let's get back to the home screen. So those are the couple of features I wanted to show you. This is a small demo, and if you want us to give you a detailed presentation about the software, please get in touch with us. The email address and phone number is on the top right of the screen. You can also schedule a presentation, and we'll get in touch with you, and we'll give you a complete detailed presentation about the software, and we can also discuss all the different possibilities which the software can do for you. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it, and let's get in touch and do business. Thank you.